Dear students, so let us solve a problem related to rectilinear motion of particles. A stone is thrown vertically upwards. It reaches the maximum height of 12 meter. Determine the velocity with which the stone was thrown, the time taken to reach the maximum height, and the total time taken by the stone to return to the ground surface after projected upwards. In the problem, a stone was thrown upwards with the initial velocity and it reaches the maximum height of 12 meter. When reaching the maximum height of 12 meter, the final velocity of the stone will be 0. For this case, it is asked to calculate the initial velocity of the stone, the time taken to reach the maximum height, and the total time taken by the stone to return to the ground surface from the time it was projected. When a particle is traveling against the gravity, the equations of its motion will be v is equal to u minus gt, h is equal to ut minus half gt square, and v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. For the first subdivision of the problem, for the available data, we can use the third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. Here the final velocity of the stone will be 0. Initial velocity is to be found out. G is the acceleration due to gravity, that is 9.81 meter per second square. H value is 12 meter. On substituting the values, 0 is equal to u square minus 2 into 9.81 into the maximum height of 12 meter, from which we can get the value of initial velocity u as 15.3441 meter per second. Okay. In the second subdivision of the problem, it is asked to calculate the time taken to reach the maximum height. For that, we can use the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u minus gt. Final velocity v is 0. Initial velocity we have calculated in the previous step as 15.3441 meter per second, minus g is 9.81 meter per second square into t. So from which we can calculate the time taken by the stone to reach the maximum height as 1.56 seconds. In the third subdivision, it is asked to calculate the total time of the stone to return back to the ground surface from the time it was projected upwards. In the previous step, we have calculated the time taken by the stone to reach the maximum height of 12 meter as 1.56 seconds. The same amount of time will be taken by the stone to reach the ground from the maximum height. Okay, so the total time taken by the stone to reach the ground surface from the time it was projected upwards, t is equal to 2 into time taken by the stone to reach the maximum height, that is 3.12 seconds.